Welcome back to LockLab. What we have here is a Themis top security lock, and I'm going to demonstrate how to open this in two different ways. Alright, so let's start with getting this in the vise. Alright, so first thing I want to do is do a pin count. So let's go ahead and do a pin count. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. So there's 4. 4 pins. I have a 4-pin comb here. I have a set of them. This is just a 4-pin. There's several 4-pin codes. It says 4-3.7. So first thing we do is go ahead and we insert it into the lock, and we find a comb per pin. We push down, and then we're going to go ahead and get a tension tool, and as we put tension on it, we're going to lift up on the comb, and boom, it opens right like that. Hopefully this will let us have enough room in there to work. One, two, 3, 4. Start over. 1. Open. Okay, so what made this lock difficult was how much slop is in it.